and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very chill haul video. So if you guys know or have the store Shopco in your area, you would probably know that they're going out of business. So I actually stopped by there the other day and all the makeup was 50% off. So it was pretty picked through, but there were some good things that I really wanted to try, and so I picked them up. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I got. So first I got a perfume, and I got this because my husband really liked it. This is the Paris Hilton Gold Rush Body Mist, and let me just spray it on myself since I don't have any perfume on right now so I can kind of describe the smell. It smells a lot like a perfume I already own. I think that's why he likes it. But it's a little bit on kind of like the fruity floral side, a little bit of a clean smell. I would say more fruity than anything, but it actually is really good. It reminds me of something that I already wear. I think one of the Dior perfumes I already wear. I really like this. It does smell pretty good. So I was excited about this. Original price was $8.99 and everything again was 50% off. I also got a few nail polishes which actually were on clearance and then 50% off as well. So these are all the Sally Hansen gel polishes. And I do have a gel nail light already, so I can use these. These are the ones that require the light. So I got the shade Shall We Dance, which is this beautiful pale pink. It's gonna look pretty pale on my pale skin tone, but I kind of like that. I got an orangey red one that is called Kuka Mango. Really, really pretty. And then a true red, which is called Red My Lips. And then, yeah, like this one was $6.99 and then 50% off. These other two were $8.39 and then percent off. No, two were $6.99. For some reason this one was more expensive, but yeah, for like $4 that's fine. Now let's get into the makeup, which is what I'm most excited about. So first of all, I got one of the mineral wear powders from Physicians Formula. This is just in the shade Porcelain, and I think the Taylor uses this. I really like her channel and she has very similar skin tone and texture to me, so she uses this on her under eyes, so I believe this is the right one. But she uses one of these on her under eyes, and I'm pretty sure it's this one. And I wanted to try it out because I do have the same problem where I get like really dry, cakey looking under eyes. So I'm going to try this out. I also got the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I've tried this foundation before and I didn't love it, but I think that it was because it was the wrong color. They did have my correct color this time, an LC1. It's light cool one. This has been like peeled apart because everything was so picked through. But I'm excited to try it again in the correct shade to see if I do like it. I'll show you all the foundations I got first. I also got the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. This is one that I've heard hyped up a lot. Nice full coverage foundation. This is in the shade Porcelain, but it looks quite dark for me, so I don't know if it'll work out. I might have to mix it with a white mixer, but I'm excited to try it. I haven't used a really full coverage foundation in a very long time. Next up, I have the L'Oreal True Match. This is a foundation that I've always hated, but I haven't tried it in years, so I wanted to give it another try and see what all the hype is about. This is a neutral one. Usually cool and neutral work pretty well for me, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a go and see if I hate it still. I've never been able to try this out. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion. I'm not sure that this is gonna work for me. It's in natural ivory, but it's cool number 2. Usually, I don't know if this is the lightest shade or not. I don't know if there's a cool number 1, but we'll try it out. Moving on to primers, I got the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Primer. This is one of those like illuminating primers that's kind of like MAC Strobe Cream. I'm really excited to try this out. I also got this, which I've never heard of. This is the Revlon Youth Effects Fill and Blur Primer for Forehead, which I'm really excited about because I have acne, scarring, and pitting on my forehead that I talk about a lot, and like it's so hard to fill it in. I use a lot of different blurring and pore filling primers, and nothing works as well as the Revlon pore reducing primer. And this is another Revlon product, so I thought maybe that they have figured something out and can really fill in my scarring up here, because that would be amazing. So I'm so excited to try this. I got a face powder. This is the Infallible Pro Glow face powder. This is the one that's got like a matte powder and then a glowy powder up here. I want to try this out. I feel like I watched someone who didn't like this. Maybe it was Tati. But I wanted to give it a try and see what I thought because I love the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I got 2 All My blushes. The first one is in the shade Rhubarb and that is not English. Pink Rose, number 10, and number 20 in Mauve. The Mauve one is the one that I wanted the most because I really don't have many shades like this in my collection, if any. This one is pretty typical of my collection, but it does have a nice peach on top. And so I thought it would be like a little bit different than the blushes that I already have. And I really wanted to try those out because again, the Taylor talks about those and I know she likes them, so, and I love her. I got a highlight from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome by Face Studio from Maybelline. Tati talks about these and she likes these. So I got the pink one. I'm really excited about this. It's called Molten Rose Gold. Might be a little bit dark for my skin tone, but we'll try it out. I got a brow gel. This is actually a product that I have purchased in the past, so I know that I like this. This is the Brow Drama by Eye Studio in Deep Brown, number 260. This is from Maybelline, and I love this. This is a great brow gel. It's one that I use all the time. My one that I have currently is running a little bit low and it's getting a little bit dry, so I wanted to replace it. The last products I got here are all lipsticks, and the first one is a product I've been wanting to try for years. This is the Milani, what's it called? Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Devotion. It's the one that I've wanted to try for years and years. I've heard so many people rave about this product in particular from Milani and this shade in particular, so I am going to check it out and see if I love it. I also got a red in the Mega Last Liquid Catsuits from Wet n Wild. You guys know me, I love red lipstick. I just have to have it. I also got one of the Revlon matte balms. These I have been obsessed with for years. I used to wear these right out of high school into college. I loved these, but I had to get rid of all of mine because they were expired and they started to smell bad. So I repurchased one in one of the shades that I used to wear constantly. So this is the shade 205 Elusive Insatiable. So I know I'm going to get good use out of this. And then I got 2 of the Maybelline New York Matte Liquid Lipsticks. These are my favorite liquid lipstick formula from the drugstore. And these are 2 shades I don't have. So this is number 25 in Heroin and number 40 in Believer. We've got a really like orangey red and a nice purple. So I'm excited about both of these. So that was my haul of all half-price makeup from Shopko. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any particular product used or reviewed, please let me know. If you want me to do another video about like what I think of all these products after I've used them all, kind of at the end of the month, I could do that as well. Like at the end of April, I could do an updated haul video. I know that some YouTubers do that, and so only if you're interested, let me know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and have a great day.